Hello friends, welcome to adhikary education. As you know, last year APSC has published Assam government order dated 5th August 2019 regarding various changes in APSC CCE examination. Wherein most of the APSC will follow most of the patterns of UPSC, what UPSC is following for IAS exams. And today on dated 30 July 2020, APSC has issued a notification just confirming the earlier government order, wherein they have given some certain guidelines and some important points for the better clarification of the aspirants. In this video, we are going to discuss in details about the point that is given in the notification and what exactly it means for the candidate. Let's start. If you see the first point of the notification, it says the next CCE exam will be held as per the new circular that was issued last year by Government of India, Government of Assam. So, what circular it is referring to, I will show you what was that actual circular it is referring. It is referring to the circular dated 5th August 2019. So, it is there, it is a very lengthy document. So, we'll discuss this whole document in another session. This session, let's focus on what are the points they have today included in the today's circular. So, as per the circular, next CCE examination will be conducted as per the new rule. So, in the new rule, what it follows, I have bring out here main points, what it follows exactly, how the structure will be. So, in the preliminary examination, it will have GS1 and GS2, both will have 200 marks. GS1 will be like what we are having now, GS paper, including all the sections of current affairs, GS, like science, polity, economy, everything. And GS2 will be like what UPSC is conducting, like CSAT, exactly like CSAT. It will have more like aptitude questions, English aptitudes and all those things, like banking exam, SSC exam. So here it 400 marks. Now also we are having like that. 400 marks. Now also APSC is following prelim. So it is more or like similar. Only thing, now in current system, second paper is of optional paper, but in the new system, second paper will be like CSAT of UPSC. And that much only is the changes in preliminary exam. Then in the main exam, almost it is following UPSC pattern. So if you see, first paper will be consisting of only essay. So it will have 250 marks. Then paper 2 to 6. So that is 5 papers. All those 5 papers will be of GS. It will be called as GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 like UPSC is having now. Each paper will have 250 marks. More weightage will be there in GS. Mostly you have to focus on GS. Then paper 7 and 8, it will have one optional subject, but one optional subjects, 2 papers. Both the paper will have 250 marks each, so it is 500 marks. So earlier in the current system we are having 2 optional papers. Instead of that, in the new system we will have one optional subject of 2 papers. Qualifying language paper. Qualifying language paper will be papers on language, that is standard will be up to class 10. So paper A, one paper will be either aspirant can take Assamese, Bengali or Bodo. These are the 3 official languages in India, in Assam, sorry. So you have to take one of the 3. And it will be 300 marks. Here you can see it is written qualifying. So qualifying means that what mark you are going to get in this paper, it will not be added in the mains exam. But there will be a qualifying marks, like 35% or something like that. Like you have to pass in that. If you pass in that, then only they will evaluate other papers of your mains exam. So this is necessary, but if you score 99 marks in this paper also, it will not give any advantage. So this is of 300 marks. But there is a caveat. If any aspirant is from Dima, Hazau, Karbi Anglang and West Karbi Anglang districts, and that aspirant has not studied any of these 3 languages mentioned here, like Assamese, Bengali and Bodo, in school, then they are exempted. They don't need to write this paper. Then another paper is there, paper B. This is English paper. 300 marks. This is also of qualifying nature, but everyone has to write this paper. But you have to pass in these papers. Then we have interview. Interview is of 275 marks. So our total marks, it is coming to 1275. So this is what the first point means, that the next CC exam will be as per the new rule. New rule, the gist of the new rule is given in this slide. Then some other points are there. APSC has published few model questions. Model question papers relating to CC preliminary exam, GS1 and GS2. Then same like it is in the pattern of, exam will be in the pattern of UPSC. For the benefit of the parent, APSC has uploaded few previous years UPSC preliminary questions. Another point is 30 to 35% of the question will be related to Assam in GS paper 1. Then APSC has uploaded model question papers in APSC official website. So you can see syllabus also is there, GS1 and GS2. Some model question that APSC has given, 2 sets for both the papers, GS1 and GS2. Thank you. That's all for today.